Hey guys, it's me, Jackboy16 again. So, if you saw the previous video, I was at a exercising equipment thing. I don't know what it's called. It was at Crooked Creek Park. So, right now I am at Big Rock Nature Center. I'm on this giant rock. I'll go back to the edge so you can see just how high it is. Yep, I'm that high. Today, I'm here with my friends, Jackson and Owen, and we are gonna give you guys a tour.
Hi.
That's Jackson, that's Owen, and that's my dad. So let's do this. All right, so the beginning part for this tour. You see this big rock behind me? Yeah. Oh, and by the way, here's a shout out to Pro Videos 123. So, hope you guys like this video and subscribe. And thank you for all your videos, and I think you're awesome. So, yeah. There's a creek down there. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of Big Rock Nature Center. Oh, jeez. Look, guys, the water's blue. The water's blue. And it's orange down there. Okay. So, this is a little crevice. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see anything but me and my beautiful face. Here we go. I'm going to go into this little crevice here. And yeah. Oh, and by the way, I'm suited up and ready. So, villains beware. I'm coming to get you. I've only got two hands. Holding the phone with one, holding a gun with the other. And I've got one on my back. So, yeah. So, right here, I don't know, you probably can't see that, but does that right there look like a nose to you or not? Because to me, it looks like a nose. And, yeah. And here, oh, is my pal Owen.
Hi.
From Pro Videos 123.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna go back up there and do some more. Okay, so I am heading down this very bumpy trail, and I'm heading down this really bumpy trail. So, yeah, and I've got my Nerf gun. Well, my friend's Nerf gun. AccuStrike. Awesome. There's another creek up here. I think it's connected to that one I showed you earlier, but I'm not quite sure. And my friends and I were down here like literally 30 minutes ago or something, and we got wet.
I'll go down there again.
So yeah. Yeah, I don't think we got over there. Speak louder.
What?
Speak louder.
Oh. Okay. Well, I made that jump earlier and got wet. I just got wet again.
So, what do you think about this place, Jackson?
This place?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 to 10. 10 being greatest. 1 being I would never come here again for $1 million. Give it a 9.
Okay.
I don't like the big rocks.
That was my friend Jackson. All right, so I'm gonna keep heading down the trail. There are my buds in the background. And here's more of the creek. Here's a tree, more creek.
Down there. I can go down there. You want me to show them?
And
there, no. I can go down here though.
Jackson would like to go down in the creek again, so way he's gonna go down here. Ta-da!
FYI, I'm not normally good at this stuff, but
so that was my friend Jackson doing some parkour. Yeah, guys. So here's another area that Jackson is going to go down.
this is where I want to do the rock, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, Keegan, should we show you go across that or that one?
I guess.
We don't have time for that. You gotta keep this moving.
All right, here we go.
I'm gonna throw a rock.
And he's going to throw a rock. Yay!
I think I got a little wet. Oh, I'm gonna do a big one now.
Yep, onto a big one.
This is bigger.
FYI, I'm going on this very big branch. Yay!
Okay. Yeah, I'll throw it here. That was like.
What a big splash.
See, I saw something. Oh. Let me try this one. This is heavy.
All right, let's do it.
Ready? Oh yeah, I forgot we can get over here now. Wait.
Oh, that's a really big one. Oh yeah. The Splash Test has been brought to you today by Jackson Huffman. Go.
I'm gonna see if I can make it to you guys.
All right, my friend Jackson is going to try and get across these tiny rocks to this big one that I'm on.
I got this. Alright, I see what I can do. Woo! That's cold.
I know, right?
Okay, I'm gonna stay here and let my foot dry out.
It's gonna take a while, man.
Oh no, it's just hold on. Okay, I got this. Alright, at least I didn't fall in.
True, very true.
Alright, this is the hard part, but I got this. Woo! Yes! I made
All right, he made it. So Jackson, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the hardest, 1 being the easiest, how hard was this?
I give it a 4. That was pretty easy, but there was some like, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. All right, so what do you say you do some parkour for the team?
Parkour. Parkour! Woo! Ah! Oh, that's cold. Oh, okay, that's cold. That is cold.
It is cold.
It's cold, guys.
Yeah, we can see that.
Yeah, I'm gonna let my foot dry out again. It's like soaked in my sock now. I should not have done that.
No, you should not.
That's fine. Like, that's where I stepped and it got all wet. Alright.
I found this really cool tube thing. So yeah,
So long.
yeah. You probably can't see this, but there's the light at the end of the tunnel. Probably can't see that well, but
Let's see.
so my friends and I tried to climb this earlier, but my dad wouldn't let me. So